Nokia has introduced its first new feature phone. And now we are unboxing a yellow color phone. The Nokia 200 4G 2026. They too offer video calling. Nokia 200 4G battery will be 1450 mAh with USB-C charging. It features a TFT LCD display with 2.4 inches screen size, separate large buttons, supports family number setting and one-touch calling, and dual LED flash. And front camera will be 0.3 megapixel. The Nokia 200 4G price is $29. RAM will be 64 MB and storage will be 128 MB. This is the first device from Finnish HMD, which is called a micro chat phone, combining a traditional keypad phone with modern communication features. The device's special feature is support for HMD on micro chat service, which allows the phone to make video calls to smartphones via WeChat mini program. That's all for now. Guys, subscribe my channel for more latest videos. Thanks.